Last debate tonight, this Friday evening, a day after Times Now and the Bangalore Mirror brought out the story of corporators demanding freebies, free IPL tickets for each and every match to be played in Bangalore. The controversy has now become national, the debate getting louder across the country over whether or not politicians have the right to demand freebies. However, the corporators are adamant, arguing that they're only following tradition, a practice that has been well entrenched in the system, even as fans across the country are questioning what gives them the right.
Less than 24 hours to go before the first IPL match in Bangalore this season, the frenzy reaching a peak with fans queuing up for tickets. But some believe a ticket is their birthright.
I want them to take our corporators and make them, treat them in a more dignified manner, that's all. From the past so many years, this is a tradition. And whatever stadium is there, it was belonging to BBMP.
The Karnataka State Cricket Association has maintained a staunch silence on the issue. And with angry cricket fans questioning the need for corporators to be given free passes, Times Now asks, how long will this VIP culture be encouraged?
Those standing in queues in the sweltering heat for hours say that demanding a free pass just because one holds public office is unfair.
Corporators, like if they are sponsors, then they really have right to get some tickets. If they are not sponsoring anything, then definitely they should be in the queue and get the tickets like us.
This is not anybody's birthright. Nobody gets tickets just because they are corporators. Corporators are our elected representatives. They represent us, but they have no business to do hooliganism.
But in a country that worships cricket, the debate quickly becoming national.
I don't think it should be allowed because general public is paying for the same. And these influential guys are getting free of cost, which is not right in a sense.
In fact, when public of Bangalore is paying for the passes, I think they have to pay for the entertainment.
Even as eminent citizens come out against the arm-twisting politicians.
8,000 plus policemen who do yeoman service in the city. If each one of them was to get 2 passes, that's 16,000 seats gone. Who deserves it more? These, constables who are actually looking after security, or a corporator who can well afford it?
Corporators should behave with dignity. Dignity doesn't imply that they go ask for free tickets from somebody. I think it's totally wrong. They must not use their personal needs, misuse the public offices for the personal needs.
The politicians being slammed across the country.
So maybe if students and general public are given little more opportunity to see things from how the corporators and other people see it, I think it will be a better thing.
I'm really upset because I went to buy a ticket but I didn't get it. And my whole family is also very upset because of it.
This is completely wrong because even we love to watch cricket and we are paying for it.
Perhaps it is support like this that is the only way to make power-drunk politicians see some sense. Bureau Report, Times Now.